Hello student, my name is Padve Deepmala Arun, Department of Chemistry, RBNB College, Srirampur, District, Ahmednagar. Now last lecture we also discuss in a 11th standard science chemistry subject in which the chapter number 9 elements of group 13, 14 and 15. In this chapter previous lecture we also discuss in the elements of group 13. It's a carbon family. Group 13 is a boron family, group 14 is a carbon family, and group 15 is a nitrogen family. All of this family, in this the elements we also discuss in the last lecture. Then we also discuss in this chapter the electronic configurations of all of group 13, 14 and 15. Now today we are going to start the new topic in this chapter is physical properties. Now in this chapter the physical properties of group 13 separately discuss. Now the group 14 and group 15 we will discuss in this lecture. The physical properties discussed in this chapter, the first physical properties is atomic number. Now first here is discussing all of these groups 13, 14 and 15. Here 13, 14 and 15, all of these properties discussed in this lecture. Now first properties is group 13, 14 and 15 are similar. Now first properties is atomic number. Now atomic number of group 13, we know that increases down the group, the atomic number is increases. Here is a, for example, elements is a first element, boron family is a boron, its atomic number is 5. The next element is a aluminium, its atomic number is 13. The next element is a gallium, its atomic number is 31. Next element indium, it's a 49, means the atomic number down the group, as we move down the group, the atomic number is increases. Now here is a group 13, the down the group atomic number is increases. Down the group atomic number is increases. This is the first properties. Now as a similar that the group 14, we know that the group 14 is a carbon family. Its first element is a carbon and its atomic number is a 6. Then second element is a silicon and its atomic number is 14. Now third element is a germanium and its atomic number is 32. And fourth number is a tin, its atomic number is 50. Means the atomic number down the group is atomic number is increases. Group 14 is also similar than the group 13. The atomic number is down the group is increases. This is the first properties of the group 14. Now the group 15, we know that the group 15 it's a nitrogen family, and in that family the first element is a nitrogen and its atomic number of the nitrogen is a 7. Then second element is phosphorus, its atomic number is a 15. Third element is arsenic, its atomic number is 33. Means down the group atomic number is increases. 7, 15, 32, it's an increasing value. The down the group atomic number is increases in that family, means group 15. It's a nitrogen family, and nitrogen family down the group atomic number is increases. Now the next properties is atomic mass. Second properties is atomic mass. As we move down the group, the group 13, 14 and 15, we know that atomic number is increases and atomic number is increases. That's why the atomic mass is also increases. Here is a atomic mass, group 13 element, down the group is also increases. And same condition is group 14, 15, down the group atomic mass is increases. Why it's increases? Because the atomic number is also increases, and atomic number is increases, the atomic mass is also increases. Now we can see the values of the atomic mass. The group 13, its the first value of group 13 is boron, and its atomic mass is 10.81. Now aluminium, it's 26.98. Now gallium, its atomic mass is 69, and indium, its atomic mass is 114. Means the atomic mass boron to thallium, the atomic mass is increases. Means down the group atomic mass is increases. Now here is a group 14. We know that the group 14 is a carbon family, and carbon family in which the carbon, its atomic mass is 14. Now next element is a silicon, its atomic mass is 28. Germanium, it's 72. And tin, it's 118. Means atomic mass is increases. Carbon to lead, as we down the group move, or down the group, the atomic mass of the carbon family is increases because of the atomic number is increases. It's a group 14. Now group 15. Group 15, it's a nitrogen family, and nitrogen family in which the nitrogen, its atomic mass is 15. Then phosphorus is 30. Then next element is tin, it's a 74, because this atomic number is double and its mass is present. Now 74. And antimony, arsenic 33, its atomic number and its mass is a 74. And antimony, its atomic mass is 121. Means the atomic mass down the group atomic mass is increases. All of these group 13, 14 and 15, atomic mass is down the group is increases. Now the next properties is atomic radius. Third property, it's a physical properties. Atomic radius, atomic mass and atomic number. The periodic table, we also know that what is meant by atomic number, what is meant by atomic mass and atomic radius. We also, in this lecture, we also only discusses the values of all of these properties. Now this is the atomic radius. We know that atomic radius means size of atom. Atomic radius or ionic radius is similar. The size of atom means atomic radius. Now atomic radius is also increases. Down the group atomic radius is increases. Atomic radius is also increases. This is the third properties. Now in these properties, the group 13 we will discuss. Now in this group 13, the value of the atomic radius is 88 of boron. Now next value is 143, 150, 167. Means down the group 13 elements, the atomic radius is increases. Similar case, the group 14 carbon family, its a value of carbon, its atomic radius is 77. Next element is 118, means silicon, means atomic radius is down the group, the atomic radius is increases. It's a, here is a value is not important, but in this trend is important because of the properties of the physical properties are important. In these properties, it's a trend is important, not a value. In these physical properties, in which the value is not important, it's a trend is important. Okay. Now this is the atomic radius, the group 14, the atomic radius is down the group increases, and group 15 is a similar case, down the group the atomic radius is increases. Now next properties, here is the ionic radius. Here is fourth number. Now it's the ionic radius. Ionic radius is ionic size, means ion size of ion, means ionic radius. आता here is down the group ionic radius is increases. All of group ionic radius is increases because of the gap of orbital size is increases and its radius is also increases, means the size of atom is increases. Okay, the down the group, here is value, the group 13, its ionic radius. The first boron its value is 27, aluminum is 53, gallium is 62, and indium is 80, and thallium is 88. Means down the group the atomic radius value is increases. Next group is a group 14. Here is the ionic radius of the group 14. It's a carbon. Now silicon, it's a 40. Next element is a 53, 69 and 78. Means down the group atomic ionic radius is increases. Similar case, the group 15. Here is a nitrogen family, and nitrogen family in which the atomic ionic radius is increases. Here is a 171, 211, 222. It's a ionic radius of the value is increases. Now the next properties. Here is next properties is ionization enthalpy. This is the physical properties, ionization enthalpy. The group 13, ionization enthalpy, down the group is a decreases. Here is down the group, ionization enthalpy is decreases. Why it's decreases? Because of energy gap is increases, and that's why it's a value of ionization enthalpy is decreases. Down the group, ionization enthalpy is decreases. Now it's a value. First value of boron family. It's a first element is a boron. Now its value is 801 of boron. Now next element is aluminum. Its value is a 577. Now gallium, it's a 570. Then next one is indium. It's a 588. Means down the group ionization enthalpy is decreases. Here is decreases, and all of these properties are increases down the group. Now the next properties. Here is remaining the group 14 and 15. Now group 14, this is the carbon family. Same case, the down the group ionization enthalpy is decreases. Its value is, here is a 1086. It's a carbon value. It's a ionization enthalpy. Then next is a silicon. It's a 786. Then germanium, it's a 761, and steel is a 708. Means down the group ionization enthalpy is decreases. Similar case, group 15, down the group ionization enthalpy is decreases. Nitrogen family, its value is 1402, and phosphorus, it's a 1012. Then next one, arsenic is a 947. Means this value is decreases, and it's a ionization enthalpy down the group is decreases. Next properties. Here is the next properties is 6 number. It's the electronegativity. Now we know that electronegativity down the group 13, 14 and 15 is decreases. Down the group electronegativity is decreases. We know that whole periodic table, the most electronegative atom is a fluorine. Fluorine is the most electronegative atom, and fluorine is a halogen family, and it's a group 17 element. Its value is a 4.0. 4.0 is the most or more valuable value. It's a fluorine, and fluorine is the most electronegative atom. Then oxygen, its value is a 3.5, and then nitrogen. Nitrogen, its value is a 3.0. Now electronegativity down the group is decreases. One by one we will discuss. Here is a group 13. We know that group 13 is a boron family. Now boron, its electronegativity is 2.0. 2.0, it's a electronegativity of boron. Then next element is aluminum. It's 1.5. Means here is down the group, as we move down the group, the electronegativity is decreases. Here is a boron is a 2.0, aluminum is 1.5. The next element is a gallium. Gallium is a 1.4. Now indium, it's a 1.5. here is a decreases value, down the group electronegativity is increases. It's a carbon boron family. Now next one is a carbon family. Here is carbon. Carbon is the most electronegative than the boron. Here is value is a 2.5. Carbon it's a 2.5. Then next one is a silicon. Silicon its value is 1.8. Now germanium its value is a 1.8. Steel it's a 1.8, means remains same, but the value of electronegativity is down the group is decreases. It's a carbon family. Now next family is a nitrogen family. In that family also same case, the electronegativity is decreases down the group. Now the nitrogen its a value of electronegativity is 3.0. Then next element is a phosphorus. Its electronegativity value is 2.1, means down the group electronegativity is decreases. Now the remaining three properties is here. Next properties, it's a density, 7th number. Density is similar case. Down the group 13, 14 and 15, the density is decreases. Down the group, density is also decreases. Its value is group 13. Its density of the boron is 2.35. Then aluminum is 2.70. Then its a value increases, means down the group density is increases. Okay, then group 14 is also same case. Down the group density value is increases. It's a 3.51 carbon density values. Then silicon is at 3.80. Then 5.32 it's a germanium. The value of down the group density is increases. Next properties is melting point. Now down the group melting point is decreases. Here is a group 13. Down the group melting point is decreases. Same case of group 14 and same case of group 15. Here is group 15, down the group the melting point is decreases. Now the same case is of group 15. It's a nitrogen family in which the melting point its value is decreases. Last one is a boiling point. Here is increases. Next properties is boiling point. Down the group 13, melting point is increases. Here is carbon, here is a boron family. The boiling point is increases, but it's a different case. In that group 14, it's a carbon family. In that carbon family, down the group boiling point is decreases. Down the group boiling point is decreases, group 14. Now same case group 15, down the group boiling point is decreases. Only for group 13, here is group 13, the increases boiling point, but group 14 and 15 it's a decreases boiling point value. This is the 9 properties of the group 13, 14 and 15. It is a physical properties. Now I can repeat here. The first physical properties is atomic number. Atomic number down the group, all of these properties, 3 properties, it's a 3 groups is a decreases. Now increases atomic number. Then atomic mass is down the group, all of these properties is also increases. Now atomic mass is down the group is increases. Atomic radii is down the group is increases. Ionic radii is also same, down the group is increases. Now in these properties only ionization enthalpy is down the group is decreases. All of these 3 properties, ionization enthalpy is decreases and electronegativity is decreases. Now same here, density is also increases, melting point is decreases, and boiling point is also decreases. Only group 13, the boiling point is increases. Means all of these 9 properties are completed in this lecture. Next lecture we will discuss in the chemical properties of group 13, 14 and 15. Discuss in the next lecture. Thank you.